Just when things were looking to improve within the hospitality and the tourism sector, bang, we had that spike in cases, and that really turned things around, which means that a lot of companies that were banking on domestic tourism as well picking up, the overall F&B doing well, wedding as well, picking up, generally have seen a complete turnaround in sentiment, and of course demand, occupancy rates, average room rates, all of that seems to have taken a turn for the worst. Today we had an interesting discussion on the channel to talk with some of the veterans within the hospitality, travel and hotel space to just get in their views as to what they make of the situation at hand. We spoke with Ratan Keswani, he's Deputy Managing Director at Lemon Tree Hotels, Sanjay Sethi, Managing Director and CEO at Chalet Hotels, as well as Ajay Bakaya, Managing Director at Sarovar Hotels, just to get in their views. And essentially we got the outlook from them that yes, things were improving. We had seen occupancies coming back on track, average room rates as well were recovering, but now that sudden spike in cases has led to an absolute reversal. And now in fact, you had Mr. Keswani saying that they only see a revival coming in by autumn and winter, not really before that. And international travel, as of now, that seems to be out of the question. So while corporate travel, business travel has really suffered, the international travel will only pick up when we see the airlines resuming. We had Mr. Sanjay Sethi, who definitely was positive. He said that the vaccination drive is going to help the recovery in demand over the next 2 to 3 quarters. To a certain extent, we have seen the business travel picking up. But rightly so, with this surge in cases, the overall occupancy, demand, even F&B has all dipped. In fact, they have been mandated to be very strict with their COVID precautions and COVID safety measures. They have adopted COVID marshals, he said, in hotels to ensure that all the protocols are being adhered to, because Mr. Keswani as well as Mr. Sethi did acknowledge the fact that a lot of people are being very careless when it comes to adopting COVID safety precautions such as wearing a mask. Mr. Bakaya said that he is confident that the worst is behind us now and that the vaccination is definitely a step in the right direction. It's going to help demand and revival. But the overall recovery is seen anywhere between 6 to 18 months down the line. We had the management, Mr. Keswani of Lemon Tree, saying that the average room rates at one point in time were 50% below the pre-COVID levels. It was then 35% below pre-COVID levels. But he would say that the average drop in average room rates, this is with the resorts and across their hotels, is around 20 to 25%. In fact, he also believes that as of now, more needs to be done by the government in order to boost the prospects of the hospitality industry. The industry status has only come in for very select states. They believe that, all of them voice this, that tourism, hospitality needs a lot more focus from the government, and that now they are also going ahead and trying to attract customers from across the board. Balance sheets of companies will only improve once the debt levels improve. They are going ahead though and signing new contracts, opening up new hotels. That is not being deterred, but until and unless we see business travel stabilize, we will not see average room rates improve. So only hinging on occupancy improvement is when we will actually see things on the ground improving.